What's up, guys? This is the how to set up the Makey Makey. We got our Brussels sprout right here. I would recommend putting it on a flat surface. We got the Makey Makey right here. I'm going to grab this clamp right here. We're going to put it into the earth, okay? And then this one is the one we're gonna hold, but we don't need that right now, so we'll place it right there. Then we want to get another one, and I'm gonna be playing Flappy Bird in this video, so I'm going to be placing it in the space. So then you don't need to clamp this, you just shove it into the brussel sprout or whatever you're using. But you can clamp it. I'm just not going to because you can easily put it in. So then, right here, that is in. So, what you want to do now is you want to go over to your computer, right here, and you're gonna go to your computer, go to Google, right here. Shut up. Sorry guys, that wasn't to you, that was to my Alexa. So right here, you go to Google, and you want to search Makey. If you search Makey, what will come up is at the bottom, or near the bottom, there will be Makey Makey Flappy Bird. Click on that. Click on Makey Makey Flappy Bird Scratch Studio. And then you click on the first thing that comes up, which is that. Brings you to here, it says loading project. So now we're in Flappy Bird. And you're going to press OK. And then we're going to press start, but we don't need to right now. So right here, you guys might see we have this white wire goes, this bigger part goes right into your computer. Then the other end goes into your Makey Makey. I'm putting it in right now. Set the camera down. So, I don't know if you guys just saw, but we have this right here. That red light means the Makey Makey is on. So, now we get to the fun part of playing. We go over here. I'll bring my computer a little closer. And you'll see it says Flappy Bird. I don't know if you guys can see, but it does say Now we press start. To make sure it works, we want to hold on to the thing that we plugged into the earth. Okay? And then we want to hold the metal part, and then we want to press on the Brussels sprout, or whatever you're using. And I am using the Brussels sprout to play right now, not clickbait. So, yeah. We're going to wrap up the video here. Next, I'm going to be playing Fortnite on Bananas. Little sneak peek. Please subscribe. It means so much. Every subscriber counts. So, see you in the next video.